What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to locate and replace your cabin filter in your 2022 Toyota Camry. The cabin filter is going to be located inside your glove box. Come over here to the glove box. You're going to take off this door here. All I'm going to do is push in this clip or this button right here. And you can take this whole insert right out. So right here is where your cabin filter is located. It's in this compartment here. We need to take this cover off. Now right here we need to squeeze this little button we have right here together, and then it'll release and let us have the door. Now we're going to pull the filter out, and it has a retainer that holds it all in, holds it all together. And when you get your new filter, you're going to need to take the filter out of the retainer and you just get the element. Okay, you're going to reuse this plastic piece here. If you need a new filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get a new one. This one is not too dirty, so I'm not replacing it today. All right, so when you get the new filter and you put it in this retainer, just make sure this says up, and we're gonna just slide this right back in here. Okay, and then we can get the cover, and it goes right back on. You just snap that guy right back on here, okay, like so. This cover here, and the left side goes in first, and then we just put it right on there and close it up, and that's it. This video was helpful. Really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.